how to fix Shein Puppy Keep Terminated. So here's how it works. I'm going to show you two fixes. For the first one, you want to go into your settings. Here you just want to search for iPhone storage and click on iPhone storage, and from the list of applications we will find Shein. So here just sort it by name and you want to find Shein. I'm going to click on show all and come back once I find Shein. Alright, so once you have located the Shein app, click on it and then you want to offload the app. So offload the app and afterwards we will get to reinstall it. So click on reinstall and give it some time here. This is not going to sign you out of your account or anything like that. And the second fix will be just basically doing nothing. It may show you this error, but some people have reported that they still got their rewards from Puppy Keep. Even though they got this error message, they still got rewarded. So I hope this helps you out and eases your mind. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.